Want powerful bass in a small package? Today we're looking at compact amplifier boards perfect for subwoofer projects. Whether it's DIY speakers, home setups, or vehicle installs, let's dive right into the top picks. First up, the MakerHawk TPA3116ED2 is a powerful and flexible choice. Featuring Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity, this board delivers 50 watts by 2 plus 100 watts for the subwoofer, handling full-range speakers and deep bass simultaneously. The TPA3116D2 chip ensures high efficiency, low distortion, and reliable thermal performance, making it perfect for compact subwoofer builds. With its wide voltage input range and dual-channel plus subwoofer output, it's an ideal board for powering small to medium subwoofer setups with wireless convenience. Another strong contender is the DAMGOO TPA3116D2 Bluetooth Subwoofer Amplifier board. Delivering a robust 100 watts specifically to the subwoofer channel, this board supports clean, distortion-free, low-frequency output even at high volumes. It features built-in Bluetooth 5.0 for fast, stable wireless connection and adjustable bass and treble controls for fine-tuning your sound. Its compact design and efficient heat management make it an excellent choice for portable subwoofer projects or compact home audio solutions. If you want deep bass and convenient wireless control, DAMGOO nails it with this model. Next, the S350H STPA3251 Bluetooth amplifier board is a powerhouse for subwoofer application. It delivers 350 watts of clean RMS power to your subwoofer, utilizing the TPA3251 chip known for high-end audio performance with low distortion. Bluetooth 5.0 ensures seamless wireless streaming, while the low-pass filter design ensures the amplifier is truly optimized for bass. Whether you're building a large DIY subwoofer box or upgrading a portable system, the S350HS gives you serious output in a surprisingly small package. It's a perfect choice for bass heads who want efficiency and raw power. For those looking for additional security and functionality, check out this Bluetooth subwoofer amplifier board with password lock. Delivering strong subwoofer power output, this board not only offers Bluetooth 5.0, but also includes a password-protected pairing option, great for public or shared spaces. It features bass and volume knobs right on the board, making tuning your sub easy and intuitive. Designed for reliability with multiple protective circuits, it's a great fit for subwoofer cabinets or stealth DIY audio projects. If you need security, Bluetooth ease, and powerful bass output, this amplifier board covers it all. Finally, the MakerHawk TPA3118 PBTL Mono amplifier board is a simple yet powerful solution for dedicated subwoofer applications. Rated at 60 watts RMS, it's a pure mono amplifier that delivers clean, distortion-free bass with minimal footprint. It uses the TPA3118 chip, which provides good efficiency and stable output, even when driving a demanding sub. This board doesn't feature Bluetooth, making it ideal for hardwired, purist audio systems where you want clean signal path. If you're looking for a compact, no-frills amp board that's all about clean subwoofer performance, the MakerHawk TPA3118 PBTL is a rock-solid pick. And that's our list of the top 5 best amplifier boards for subwoofers. Which one will power your next bass project? Comment below, and subscribe for more audio gear reviews and DIY tips.